Hi all. In previous session we started applications of trigonometry. In that we completed exercise 12.1 first problem. Next see the second problem here. Next second problem, that is a tree breaks due to storm and the broken part bends so that the top of the tree touches the ground by making 30 degrees angle with the ground. The distance between the foot of the tree and the top of the tree on the ground is what? 6 meters. Find the height of the tree before falling down. Here, to solve this, first draw the diagram here. That is, we are having a tree. This is the tree. Now a tree is cuts at this point. That is, this is the broken part and this is the remaining part. This is the broken part and this is the remaining part. That is, AB is a tree. AB is a tree. A tree breaks due to storm and the broken part bends so that the top of the tree touches the ground by making the angle 30 degrees. That is, this part is touches the ground with the angle 30 degrees. And here it is what here? The distance between the foot of the tree and the top of the tree on the ground is what? 6 meters. The distance is 6 meters. This is. Here see, we have to find what here? This height of the tree. Here I am taking this is AB here. And this broken part I am taking this is X. And this is H. This is broken part. And this bends and touches the ground. Then this part and this part. These two are what? Equal. That is, this is also X only. Now here we are having what? AC and this is BC is H. We want to find the height of the tree. Height of the tree means this is X plus H. X plus H is the height of the tree. And here I am taking this is also A. Why I am taking this is A here? This is broken part and this is broken part. These two are equal. That's why I am taking this is AC. AC equals to X and BC equals to H and AB equals to 6 meters. Here. Now from the diagram here and here one more thing here it is what here? An angle is what? 30 degrees. This is the angle and this is 30 degrees. Angle of elevation is 30 degrees. Here from this here, if you take these two here, this is opposite to theta and this is the adjacent to theta. That is, the trigonometric ratio related to these two is what? This is tan. And this is x and this is what? 6 meter. This is the hypotenuse and this is the adjacent. Related to these two, the trigonometric ratio is what? Cos or secant. You can take anything here. Here from the figure I am taking what here? And this is second problem now. Length of the broken part. Length of the broken part of a tree. This is broken part. That's why I am taking this is X meters. And this is what? Remaining part. Now length of the remaining part of a tree. Length of the remaining part of a tree. This is equals to what here? H. H meters. And the total height of the tree means here height of the tree before falling down. That is what? X plus H meters. X plus H meters. That is total height. Now I am taking here tan first. theta is equals to what? Opposite to theta by adjacent to theta. That is opposite to theta means here it is what? This is theta. Then opposite means this is BC by AB. BC by AB. Theta is 30 degrees. Tan 30 degrees is equals to BC. BC is what? H. And AB is what? 6. H by 6. What is tan 30 value from the trigonometric values? This is 1 by root 3. 1 by root 3 is equals to what? H by 6. From this here, H is equals to what? By cross multiplication here, by cross multiplication H into root 3. H into root 3 is equals to 6. From this, H is equals to what? 6 by root 3. Here 6 I am writing as 3 into 2 by root 3. Again this 3 I am writing as here H is equals to, in 3 place I am writing root 3 into root 3 into 2 by root 3. Here root 3 and root 3 cancel. Now 2 into root 3 is equals to what? 2 root 3 meters. That is H value is here 2 root 3. Next, now we are having H value. Next we have to find which value here? X value. To find X here, this is the hypotenuse and this is the adjacent. I am taking here cos. Cos theta is equals to, this is what? Adjacent to theta by hypotenuse. Adjacent to theta is what? AB by, this is hypotenuse is what? AC. Cos, this is 30 degrees. AB value is what? 6. And AC is what? X. Already we know that the value of cos 30, that is root 3 by 2, is equals to 6 by x. By cross multiplication, x root 3 is equals to 6 into 2. Now x is equals to what? Again 6 into 2 by root 3. And this 6 I am writing as here 3 into 2 into 2 by root 3. And again this 3 I am writing as here root 3 into root 3. That is without changing the original value of 3. I am writing this as root 3 into root 3 and this is 2 into 2. That is what? 4 by root 3. Here root 3 cancelled. Now x is equals to what? 4 into root 3. That is 4 root 3. 4 root 3 meters. Now we are having x and h. To find the total height of the tree here, we have to find x plus h value also. That is therefore, height of the tree is equals to, height of the tree is equals to x plus h. X plus h. Now substitute the values. X is equals to what here? 4 root 3 plus h. H value is what here? 2 root 3. 4 root 3 plus 2 root 3 is equals to 6 root 3. Again here 6 root 3 is here 6 into root 3 value is what? Already we know that this value is 1.732. Don't stop up to here only. Continuation also you can solve. That is 6 into 1.732. Multiply 1.732 with 6. Here I am doing rough part. 1.732 into 6. That is 6 2s are 12. 6 3s are 18. That is 18 plus 1 19. 6 sevens are 42 plus 1. That is 43 and 6 ones are 6. That is 10. That is 10.392 meters. 10.392 meters is the height of the total tree. That is, this is height of the total tree. And here broken part, that is x value is what here? 4 root 3. And this is the remaining part is what? This is 2 root 3. And the total height of the tree is 10.392 meters. Next, third problem. That is, a contractor wants to set up a slide for the children to play in the park. He wants to set it up at the height of 2 meters. And by making an angle of 30 degrees with the ground, what should be the length of the slide? Here see once. A person wants to set up a slide in the park at the height of what? 2 meters. This is the height. And this is what? Slide. This is slide. An angle is what here? 30 degrees with the angle of 30 degrees. That is, this is 30 degrees. And this is the slide. And we want to find what? Length of the slide. I am taking this as x. This is x. And this is A and this is B and this is C here. Here, length of the slide is equals to what? X meters. That one we have to find. This is what? AC. That is AC we have to find. Here write it as AC is equals to X meters. We have to find this length here. And we are having for this what? This is the angle opposite to angle, and this part is what? Hypotenuse. That is here the trigonometric ratio related to opposite and hypotenuse is what? Sine or cosecant. That is, sine theta is equals to what? Sine theta is equals to opposite to theta by hypotenuse. Opposite to theta by hypotenuse. That is, here in theta place, this is what? How many degrees? Angle is 30 degrees. Sine 30 degrees is equals to opposite to theta means this one. That is AB. AB. And hypotenuse is what? EAC. AB by EAC. What is the value of sine 30? This is 1 by 2. 1 by 2. And this is AB. AB is equals to what here? 2 meters. That is 2 by. And AC. AC is equals to what? X. 2 by x. By cross multiplication, 1 into x is equals to what? X. And 2 into 2, it is equals to what? X equals to 4 meters. This x means what here? Length of the slide. Therefore, length of the slide is equals to this is what? AC. AC is equals to, that is x. X value is what? 4 meters. This is 4 meters. Next, fourth problem. That is, length of the shadow of a 15-meter high pole is 5 root 3 meters at 7 o'clock. See here in the textbook it is given as 5 root 3, but it is actually 15 root 3. 15 root 3 meters at 7 o'clock in the morning. Then what is the angle of elevation of the sun rays with the ground at the time? That is here, see here, length of the shadow of a 15-meter high pole is 15 root 3 meters. This is the pole. And this is what here? 15 meters. This length of a pole is 15 meters. That is here At morning 7 o'clock. 7 o'clock means slightly. This is shadow becomes slightly. That is shadow is what here? 5 meter high. Length of the shadow of here. This 15 meter high pole shadow is 15√3 meters at 7 o'clock in the morning. Then what is the angle of elevation of the sun rays with the ground at the time here? That is, this is 15√3. This is the shadow 15√3. Now angle of elevation. This is, I am naming this as A, B and C here. And we want to find what here? Here, what is the angle of elevation of the sun rays with the ground at the time? That is, we want to find the angle of elevation. By observing this, we are having what here? This is, I am taking, this is the angle here. Here I am taking that angle is what here? Theta. That is related to these here. This is the opposite to theta and this is adjacent to theta. Opposite by adjacent it becomes what here? This is tan theta. From this here, this is what height of the pole is given what here? AB equals to 15 meters. And the shadow is 15√3. And here I am taking angle is what here? Theta. From the figure here, what is the trigonometric ratio? I am taking tan. Tan theta is equals to what? Opposite to theta by adjacent to theta. Adjacent to theta. That is tan theta. Tan theta equals to opposite to theta, that is AB, and this is the adjacent to theta, that is BC, that is. Now tan theta is equals to AB. AB is what? 15 meters and BC is what? 15√3. That is 15√3. This is 15 and 15 2 are cancelled. Now tan theta is equals to what? 1/√3. From the trigonometric values, what is 1/√3 value here? Here we are having what? Tan theta. 1/√3 means this is what? Tan 30. Tan 30 degrees. From this, theta is equals to what? 30 degrees. This is what? Angle of elevation. That is this one. Theta becomes what here? 30 degrees. This is the angle of elevation here.
If you want to continue with this channel, make sure you continue to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.